Can we hear your natural born voice right quick? No, you. Now that's that's an that's true tea. That's true tea. Puerto Rican, my mama is black. When are you going back to the hair salon? Girl, I've been at the hair salon. I keep telling y'all I don't show y'all. Every day to me, I make sure I clean up my parts real easy before I braid down. You know what I'm saying? And so before I braid down, my sections gotta be clear and be, you know, you related to Justin. Girl, because we both Puerto Rican. Don't mean that. And I do believe that girl is Puerto Rican. Some other descendant. She's not just Puerto Rican. And she's Puerto Rican and a Dominican, I think. I'm Puerto Rican and black, baby. I have a black origin. I'm not Dominican. I'm not. Y'all gotta know y'all heritages. Y'all gotta know a little more about history before y'all start asking questions, thinking y'all know what y'all talking about. I see. You sound like Ebony. Please don't play with me. I ain't even got to sound like no Ebony. No. Listen, please stop playing with me. No. So how your hair get like that? It's not silky and soft. What you talking about? That's what I said. Shakita, listen. One thing about it, two things for sure. I don't have to sit up and explain nothing to nobody. Nobody. I can sit up here and lie and say I was from Jamaica, Kingston. Listen, Kingston, Jamaica. I can lie and say I'm from Kingston, Jamaica, and guess what? Y'all gonna have no choice but to go with it. Period, point blank. At the end of the day, when I tell you a truth or a lie, you still think it's bogus. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna tell you what I need to figure out and what I need to tell you. I don't have to confirm anything or deny anything with y'all. Y'all don't help me do. I take care of myself. There's nothing in this world that I could ever ask y'all for that y'all would ever do. So if y'all needed me to tell y'all a lie, guess what? I will do it. If y'all needed me to tell y'all the truth, guess what? I will do it. I do what the fuck I want to do. Y'all don't tell me what to do. Period. Y'all don't tell me what to do. I tell you what I want to tell you, and I tell you what I want to do. And they got that bike right there for sale. That's a dirt bike. That's not even a motorcycle. Do you know anything about Puerto Rico? Yes. If I'm telling y'all to do y'all research and y'all history, apparently I do. See, that's the thing. I travel. Y'all know I travel. Look how many cities and states I've been to. I've never been out of the country, but look how many cities and states I've been to. Call it. Turn up. I already got to take that jacket off. Good boy. I'm so proud of you. No. You good. Come here. Bring your ass up out of this damn thing. Huh? Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Now let me take this damn hoodie off you so you won't burn up. Come here. Come here. You a black dog. Don't be sitting up there trying to act like you a Caucasian, dog. You black. You black, bumpy. And I know you hot. That's probably why his ass was trying to go outside. Here, let me put him on this porch. He probably hot. Stay up here, Papa. Because I know you hot, Daddy. I know you hot. It's hotter than a bitch. I'm hot up here, honey. Where's my spray bottle? And why does he do that? I'm getting worried. I'm getting worried. Why does he do that? He'll just sit there, like, stand still. Like, I really think them people was beating on them puppies before they even gave them away. Because my baby is sitting out here looking traumatized. Like, what the fuck? What's wrong, Kay? Daddy, what's wrong? Huh? What's the matter? I think somebody was beat on him before I even got it, y'all. Stay out the heat, Papa, because I know you high, baby. I know you high, baby. Daddy, I think you high. In it.
Yeah, wait to finish. I have no idea.
Yeah, nothing to look on. For weights. A bottom fish.
Like I said, I have no
I
idea.
bottom fish. Yeah, a bottom fish.
My dad does too. He bottom fishes.
Hey, I don't like that bottom fish now. When I set it up. Damn.
So what is this for?
The weights, man, but I'm not using them. I'm not using them. Shit. Shit, I'm not using them, man. Shit. Looks fine.
I know how to fish. I just don't know how, everything. They got everything in here. That's the thing. They got everything in here. And I don't have to explain myself to you. I keep telling y'all that. I don't have to explain myself.
I know some people that just tie those to the...
Literally don't have to explain myself. What's this? Limited.
Also flavoring for the bait.
So y'all just flavor everything to make these fishes come to y'all.
Well, that's mainly for carpfish.
What this is?
Oh, that's my fan. If I go in that bathroom, I'm gonna need it. It's hot as hell back there.
Corn syrup to flavor the fish too.
Oh, those are... No, I said those for me.
Yeah.
$10 a piece.
Nice. Expensive, man. Big.
Yeah, I'll show you. Got you.
Oh, be careful.
No. Wrong way.
Okay, so it's let me see so I can make sure.
It doesn't lock. Those somebody gave them to me. I'll sell those for $5.
Yeah, I bought this one.
Yeah. I can say it's only small.
I get this one, a small one. Oh, this one.
Is that the one you wanted?
That looks like a car.
Black one.
I got one that looks like a gun.
Oh, this one. What's this one?
I feel like choose one that you really want. Not just one that you gonna cut
one
with.
my mom ordered for me. I'm doing $10 a piece, but the little bitty ones like that one.
Okay.
Somebody gave those to me, so.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. You got $10. See, looks like a gun. See.
You could do 5 for this one. It's so small.
Look at that. Looks like a gun.
And what's who?
Birthday.
Can you do 5 for this one for me?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
This one looks like a gun.
Does it?
It does. That one. I like that
I
one.
got 2 guns.
I have no guns and don't want to have them.
I do. Let's military.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for your service.
It's not free. It's all just free, right? Free.
I wish. I don't make money that way.
They need to say that.
I don't
Every army man get free.
Discount, damn. Discount.
Yeah, my dad won't let me do discount.
What's that? What?
21.
Wait.
I thought we was going. We are. We're fishing. We're about to go fishing, guys. See the lake? The lake right here. We just inside the fish house right here. Going in on the thing. We was getting all the stuff. But the fish house right here. But, yeah. But that's the thing, though. It's Kylèè, I get my way. I love that for me. It's Kylèè, I get my way. Where's my damn dog? Where my child at? Oh, look at him. He's trying to get inside the goddamn car. Like I done caught his ass. Daddy, what you doing? Look at him. Yeah! Your ass got hot, didn't you? Your ass got hot! You got hot, Daddy. I know, baby. Let me turn this air on for you. Let me turn this air on for you. You hot, stinker? You hot? Turn this air on, make some ass. Guess where he was when I come out? So I see him get. He got inside the car. You close at 8? Huh? 8 o'clock? Okay. Oh, yeah. What does it smell like? It smell good? I know not to put nothing by his mouth. His ass to eat every goddamn thing. Ooh, he get bigger. Yeah. I was saying, you better go put them things in strong. You might go put that one up. And they had me coughing up, you know.
I went to get my damn papers at the VA. I had to tell my damn knife man because the keychain, they took it away. So dangerous to there.
They shouldn't be looking at that. You're the whole damn
I
key.
was going to the metal detector.
Right.
So here, they threw it away.
That's crazy. You ain't got no love for me now. What does it smell like? It smell good? I know not to put nothing by his mouth. His ass to eat every goddamn thing. Ooh, he get bigger. Yeah. I was saying, you better go put them things in strong. You might go put that one up. And they had me coughing up, you know.
I went to get my damn papers at the VA. I had to tell my damn knife man because the keychain, they took it away. So dangerous to there.
They shouldn't be looking at that. You're the whole damn
I
key.
was going to the metal detector.
Right.
So here, they threw it away.
That's crazy.